Hey guys, so this is your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly b-boy tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys 3 freeze in one video. The first one is the baby freeze, the second one is a chair freeze, and also the third one is the air chair. I always look at these 3 as a one package. So you got yourself the most basic level freeze, the baby freeze, the mid-level freeze, the chair freeze, and also the advanced freeze, which is the air chair. Okay, so without further ado, let's start from the baby freeze. Step 1 for baby freeze, you're gonna put your right hand on the side here, around the side of your butt. Okay, some people told you to put it up here. Not yet, especially if you're a beginner, you always start to put it around this area here. And for your left hand, you're gonna put on the side of your right knee. Alright, put both hands down, and now start to slowly move all your body weight to the right. Now when you reach here, feel that you kind of stuck even before your head is touching the ground. Now the way to fix this is lift up your right leg. Okay. Okay, I lift up my right leg so that now my head can touch on the ground. But look at my left leg here. Okay, my left leg is still on the ground. So after your head is touching the ground, now you can move your left leg up. Alright, down. Move your right leg up. And now, after your head touching the ground, move your left leg up as well. So you got yourself a baby freeze. Here's the tips when doing the baby freeze: always put the side of your head here on the ground. A lot of people, when they're starting doing baby freeze, the mistake that I saw, a lot of them putting their face on the ground. Okay, please don't do that. It's your head, the side of your head here on the ground, not your face. After you get used to the baby freeze that I just showed you, you can start to play around with the freeze. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a few examples. Starting from the normal baby freeze. Alright, now you can move your right leg back and bring your left leg to the front. Alright, and then if you start to getting stronger and stronger, now it's time to do the baby freeze by placing only one hand on the side. Alright, so you can see I push my legs up, and now only my right hand's on the ground that hold our body up. Your left leg, your left hand is there, but it's just for, support the right hand. So that's how you do the baby freeze. Now let's get into the mid-level freeze, which is the chair freeze. In order to do the chair freeze, you need to be able to do this baby freeze. Alright, this baby freeze that I just showed you here, you can see I just told you only your right hand support all your body weight, the other hand is there to support your right hand. Okay, you must be able to do this baby freeze, not the basic baby freeze. Alright, after you get out the baby freeze that I just showed you, it's time to do the chair freeze, and it's quite simple actually. You just gonna play with your legs and then put your legs on the ground. Don't be confused, I'm gonna show you guys. This is the baby freeze. Put your right leg on top of your left knee and bring it down. You can also do a few style or a pose when you're doing a chair to make it look more interesting. You can play with the hand placement. You can put your hand in the front or the back or even on the side. For the leg part, you can just switch. And there you go, the chair freeze. Now let's get into the air chair. Now we're gonna learn air chair. So in order to learn air chair, you need to have a good chair freeze. That is why I told you guys that I always see this move as a one package. In order to learn chair, you need to have a good baby freeze. And in order to learn the air chair, you need to have good chair freeze. You can see what I mean here. So make sure you have a good chair freeze, and also, you know, train your wrist, because air chair you only use one hand and you're gonna bring all your body weight up. So only one hand, all the pressure will be on your right wrist. Okay, that is why exercise stretching is very important for this move. Now let's start from the baby freeze. Alright, when you do baby freeze, now you can bring your leg closer together, and then it's time to push your left hand, and then at the same time you're gonna bring your body up. So again, remember, here's the things. When you're doing air chair, it's like a sandwich. So this is your upper body and this is your lower body. You want to bring both of your upper and lower body closer together. Okay, and the other thing is, when doing the air chair, I love to move my upper body and look at the camera, or bring my upper body to the front and make sure that my lower body is facing to the back, and also my left hand is also going to the back, because I feel that I can have a lot more control and a lot more balance when I doing that. So let's compile all that and let's see how it looks. That's it for this tutorial. Make sure you learn this step by step. What I mean is, you don't want to learn air chair before you learn the chair freeze, or before you learn the baby freeze, or even after you learn the baby freeze, don't go ahead and try air chair. You know what I mean? So make sure you follow the steps: baby freeze, chair freeze, and air chair, to build out your foundation first, and also to prevent injury. So that's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.